How to download Summertime Saga on iOS and Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Summertime Saga on your iOS or on your Android device. So first of all, just simply open your mobile settings, and this process will apply on both your iOS as well as in your Android device. And after that, just simply hit the general setting over here, and from there just simply scroll down and click on background app and refresh, and make sure that your background app refresh is set to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once this is done, just simply come back to the main settings. And after that, and over here, just simply come to the main setting menu and click on battery, and make sure that your low power mode of battery is off. And once these basic settings are done, you just simply have to go to your Chrome browser and go to the appreably.com. And over here, you will be able to see different application that you can access. Since you want to download the Summertime Saga, just simply click on the search bar and here. And here, just simply search for Summertime Saga. And as you can see that the app is right here. And in order to download the app, just simply click on download now, and you will be able to get the access to the Summertime Saga in your iOS as well as in your Android device quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to download Summertime Saga on your iOS and your